Hey foodies! Welcome back to a new episode of Tommy Hunt. Today we're making the best Jamaican banana bread you have ever tasted in your life. So today we're using bananas, brown sugar, unsalted butter, vanilla, cinnamon, eggs, all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Let's get into this. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we're just gonna crush our bananas. You can use a fork or a hand mixer. Gonna make them smooth as possible. Next, we're going to add 3/4 cups of brown sugar, half cup of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and half teaspoon of cinnamon. Now let's combine everything together. Add 2 beaten eggs to this mixture. Now add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once that is fully combined, we're going to add the remaining 1 cup of flour. Now that we're done with that, we're going to transfer the batter to our bread tin and we're going to bake it for 50 minutes or until the top of the bread is caramelized, and if we insert a toothpick in there it comes out clean. That's when you know it will be ready. Then after that, we're going to let it rest in the tin for 10 minutes and then transfer it out, and then we can cut it. Look at that, guys. You can't tell me that does not look good. It is soft, it is moist, it's so tasty, and it literally smells up the whole room. I can say it's one of the best banana breads I have made throughout my entire life. I am not being extra. So guys, this is the end of my video. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. Toodles!